Hi, I'm Rick Stock, working with the team from CDPS, the Centre for Digital Public Services, on the Digital Landscape Review. We're now coming to the end of our alpha phase, and so what kind of things have we learned? Well, we're hearing how teams across Wales have performed miracles to shift things over to digital and remote working since the start of the pandemic, often under enormous time and money pressures. Nearly 3/4 of the services we talk to can now be accessed online, and that's a reflection of a huge amount of hard work. Many teams working on these new services, and the ones who are already online, are now reflecting on how they can move things to the next level. For example, only around half of the teams we surveyed said that they use any kind of tracking or analytics tools, and only around 15% of our survey tracked anything more than very basic measures. These analytics can be a great help to understand how their users are actually experiencing a service and to highlight areas that need improvement. So measurement and analytics, that's definitely a big opportunity area. And as these services are often designed and built and then not regularly updated, once they're live, any improvements or changes can be a long time coming. Only around half of teams we talk to use an iterative approach where they regularly release fixes or new features to help their users. And again, we think there's more that can be done here. But we get that there's lots of different reasons for what we're seeing. And we're using what we've learned to suggest how our wider team can work more effectively with public services across the country. In all, we've found 16 key areas which can help us, to help the people we work with, to better realise the potential of digital working. And you can find out more and hear about how you and your organisation can get involved in the full recording of our latest show and tell on the CDPS YouTube channel. In January, we'll be looking to publish a full report of what we found so far, and we look forward to talking more about this and the next stage of our landscape review early in the new year.